Having trouble connecting to a paired Bluetooth device on your Samsung phone? It's usually just a simple connection glitch that you can fix in a few easy steps. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the problem right from your phone. Let's get started. First of all, open your settings, tap Connection, scroll down, tap More Connection setting, enable Nearby Device Scanning. After that, check your issues. If you still have issues, try the next process. Solution 1. Forget previously connected device. Go to Settings, tap Connection, then tap Bluetooth. Tap on the settings icon to the right of the previously connected device name. Tap Unpair from the right bottom corner. Tap Unpair. After that, reconnect the device again. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 2. Enable Bluetooth HCI Snoop Lock. Go to Settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap Developer Options, make sure to turn it on. After that, tap Enable Bluetooth HCI Snoop Lock. Then tap Enabled. Solution 3. Check your software update. Go to Settings again, scroll down, tap Software Update. Then tap Download and Install. If you have any update available, then install it. That's all you need to do to fix the issue of not connecting to a paired Bluetooth device on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions or want to help, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.